Hi there, this is Ace Guzman. Welcome to Ace of Rich Freedom by Design's YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about a course that is available within the Power Lead system as a bonus called the 90-Day Content Marketing Challenge, created by yours truly. And I want to share with you where that is located in the back office of Power Lead system and how you can get started with it, okay? So if you're watching this video, pay close attention to I'm going to show you and guide you where in the back office, where it is right now, and how you can get started with the 90-Day Content Marketing Challenge. So I'm going to go share my screen. There we are right here. So now here's the Power Lead system dashboard, and we're going to scroll all the way down here to where it says the marketing tab. We're going to click that tab right there. And down below, if we scroll down, it says 90-day challenge, right? So we're going to go ahead and open that up. And here is the 90-Day Content Marketing Challenge course, okay? So we're going to give that a few seconds, let that load up. There we go. Okay. So now that we have the 90-Day Content Marketing Challenge here, what you see is the main area, okay? And you're going to start the 90-Day Challenge. Now, what does that consist of? Well, we're going to go ahead and click on Start the Challenge, and I'm going to show you what it is. Basically, we're going to start here with a welcome and introduction. And in this area right here, you're going to pretty much get an overview of what to expect with the challenge when you get started. There's some downloads here, like a worksheet, some editorial calendars, post ideas for your first 90 days of what to post. Video prompts, if you want to go the video route, you can do that and do the challenge on your TikTok or your Instagram, as well as a social media monthly assessment. And all you do is click on each tab to download all these goodies here that I do provide. And you start your first day. And what you're going to do is you're going to start right here on this tab that says Next Lesson. And that's going to be day one of the 90-Day Content Marketing Challenge. I walk you through pretty much what to do and what to post. And I do this, if you look over here on the right-hand side, for the first 30, 60, and 90 days straight. And I'm not just talking about any course here. This course, I literally go through it with you. So at the same time, I'm doing my own content and I'm creating the same exact topics that I did for myself on my own account, because I lead by example and I want you to follow along and do the same. I don't think there's any course out there that does that from my take that I actually saw that's a 90-day challenge like this, and it's really effective. And this is how you would actually do it for the first 90 days. You will follow along, watch each video day by day. Here's day two, move on to day two, boom, and there you are. You're going to follow what I tell you step by step so that you could post. Now, what I like to do is also point out some tutorials that I'm going to share with you will have some notes possibly in this area here. There'll be some body of text to read, some resources and links that you can actually click on, as well as some downloadable resources, as well additional downloads and websites for you to visit, so that way you don't have to go searching for it. I've already done the work for you. Okay, so let's go back to the screen. Let's go back right here. That's the 90-Day Content Marketing Challenge. Okay, great. And this challenge is very simple to do. Now, what's really cool about being part of the Power Lead system is I'm available and I'm in the community. And so if you actually have a question about, doing the challenge and maybe you get stuck, feel free to send me a message and DM me there and let me know if you're stuck somewhere, and I will give you a helping hand to know what you need to do for that challenge. Let's say, for example, it's like day 4 and I told you to post a picture of a sunset. Well, maybe it's cloudy that day or snowy that day, there's no sunset. Don't worry about it. I give you an alternative of what you can do to accomplish that challenge without ever having to leave the house, which is awesome, okay? So with that being said, my name is Ace Guzman. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.